I'm Katy Johnson, and my experiment project involves comparing two different kinds of plant lights on plant growth. My scientific question is, will a light made for growing plants in aquariums have the same effect on plant growth the light made for growing plants indoors does? My two different kinds of plant lights are the Philips light, which is for growing plants indoors, and an aquarium light, which is made for growing plants in aquariums. My hypothesis is that if the aquarium light simulates daylight as the plant light does, then the plants, the beans, will be the same height on average after 3 weeks. Now, my control group is the plant light. That's the Philips plant light. It's made for growing plants indoors. And my experimental group is the aquarium light, which is made for growing plants in aquariums. Now, each bin has 12 different cups. Each bin has the same kind of cup, and each cup has a Great Northern bean in it. And they each have the same amount of soil, which is 2 1/4 ounces of soil. And each day they'll get the same amount of water, which is going to be 2 teaspoons from this medicine cup. And the same amount of light that they get every day is determined by this timer. I'm going to set it for 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. to simulate the amount of daylight that plants will be getting at these days in the fall. And my independent variable is the type of light, and in this case the variable I'm testing is the aquarium light versus the control group of the plant light. And the dependent variable is the height of the plants. Once the beans sprout, then I'll take a ruler and measure them in centimeters every day. And once the 3 weeks are up, I'll average the heights of the plants to determine whether or not the lights had the same effect on the growth of them. That's it.